The UK is the 10th biggest tourist destination in the world. Over 37 million people visited from abroad in 2018 alone, but tourism is not just about visitors from other countries. The industry is huge, contributing well over £200 billion to the UK's economy, and it's not just about buying ice cream at the beach or exploring old castles or staying in a nice bed and breakfast. Let's say you visit the North Norfolk coast for a weekend. Already you've utilised services to get you there, such as fueling or recharging your car along the way. You arrive at the campground having prepaid the owners, and you set up your tent and your equipment that you bought from a store back home. After pitching up, you set off for a late lunch at a local pub, who have sourced their food from either farms in the local area or from food wholesalers, and you're being served by the people who work there. And as you chat over lunch, you talk about the exciting beach concert that you're going to go to that evening, which is hosted by a local drama group and a local band. Now, I could go on, but I think you may be getting the picture. Tourism is a wonderful way to see places and experience cultures, but it does not come without conflict or cost. It may or may not benefit the hosts as much as it does you, the visitor. And what about the environmental costs, especially now that we're becoming more aware of issues like the climate crisis? Senior Lecturer of Microeconomics at the University of East Anglia, Mike Brock, will host a session that you can join where you will explore the extent tourism can be good and bad.
Hi everybody, my name is Mike and my session is looking at the interplay between tourism, the economy and the environment, and understanding whether we think from an economist point of view and from an environmental point of view that tourism is good or bad for those different actors. And I'll cover some aspects which are to do with the theory behind this, but also considering some of the more up-to-date applications that occur, particularly in light of the coronavirus pandemic. Largely speaking, this fits into Project Change with understanding the interplay between how we might make decisions as individuals and what that means for greater understanding of the climate and global challenges that are affecting our environment.
To sign up for Mike's workshop and others relating to climate change issues, check out projectchange.UEA.ac.uk.